Hi, I'm Olawale from Nextlands Incorporation. It's great to connect. I wanted to reach out to introduce our services and, of course, explore how we can assist you in learning good skills. Okay, guys, that's just a video that I just created about, I wanted to share a business idea. Oh, that's gibberish. Let me just stop right there. Guys, I think I've just fooled you guys. Now, that's just a realistic looking avatar video. Now, that's not me. That's just an image of me, but I never stand somewhere, stand in front of a camera and record that. Nah, it's just an image of me that I snapped some times ago, and I simply put in an AI software, and I generated this video that you just finished watching. Isn't that amazing? Good. Now, guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn any picture into video with AI. How you can create a realistic AI avatar in just a matter of minutes. And this is amazing because you can use this to start making money on YouTube or TikTok. You could create a faceless channel on YouTube and start making money in a matter of 30 to 90 days. Isn't that amazing, guys? Don't worry, don't skip a beat. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. And of course, welcome to Nextlands. And of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. Right here on Nextlands, we teach people how to make money online, and we teach skills that can help you make lots and lots of money online so you can become financially stable for yourself and of course for your family. Now, let's go right straight into this. If you're enjoying all my videos so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, of course, give this video a thumbs up. So I'm gonna be so blessed to keep creating more videos for you guys. Now, don't skip a beat. Without wasting any more of your time, let's go straight into this and let's create this video. Now, this is the tools that we'll be using for today, of course, which is vidnoz. This is vidnoz, and its tools is vidnoz, vidnoz. I'm going to be dropping a link to the video, to this tool in the description below, so don't worry, you don't have anything to worry about. Now, this is my creations. I'm just going to be going back to home page, so you guys could see lots of stuff that are available in these tools. Okay, it's not just about cloning AI. You can clone a voice, you can clone a video, you can clone almost anything. However, before we go deep down into this, I'm going to be saying this, okay, which is this video is for educational purpose only. Okay, I'm just teaching you how to get this thing done yourself, so you can use it to make money online with either YouTube or most of other social media where you can actually make money online doing this kind of thing and uploading this kind of video. Okay, I'm not going to be liable for anyone who use this tool for anything fraudulent or anything elsewhere. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be saying this once again. This is just for educational purpose only. Thank you, guys. Now let's get right back into this. Now, as you can see, we've got the trendy templates, we've got the education template, we've got the explainer template, we've got the business template, and of course the breaking news template. Now let's check these templates one after the other. Let's check the education point template. Now this has to do with maybe teachers teaching people stuff like that. You want to start a YouTube channel about teaching maybe kids something or something, then you could decide to choose one of these educational templates. Isn't that lovely? It's lovely. Look at sociology course. You just have to put your avatar somewhere here and you display whatever it is you want to display at the back. Then you start teaching them, and it's amazing, guys. Now let's check the explainer video. How many of you, I know a lot of you have seen explainer video before, but let's just see how this looks like. Now these are explainer videos. These are the kind of videos that you want to do to explain things for people. You want to teach them about management, you want to teach them about production, stuff like that. These are the kind of videos you want to do, and it's similar to what I just did earlier in the video that you guys just watched. Okay, now we want to just pick one of these templates and we want to start creating. Okay, let's just create something similar to what I just did earlier so you guys could know what I'm talking about. Just gonna select one, or rather let's just create something different. Let's create this. I love this. It's beautiful. However, it's an AI, so and I wanted to generate something realistic, so we're not going to be choosing it. So let's just go for the business or explainer. Okay, this is business and it's cool. This is cool. Let's select this or this. Oh, let's just choose I'm finding hard to even select one. Everything here is kind of cool. Okay, let's choose this. This looks simple and straightforward. So let's choose this. I'm going to be choosing this. Now, this is a particular template that we're going to be using, and I wanted to use this because I wanted to create something similar to the video you just watched that I created earlier. I want to recreate that, okay? Now, I'm going to be using a different picture, so it doesn't look like maybe I already created that one somewhere and I just wanted to like somehow bring it out for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be using a different image this time around, and you're going to be seeing how I'm going to do this. Now, the beautiful thing about this software is that you don't have to even leave this platform, guys. Look at it. You don't have to leave this platform. You get everything done there, from your voice to your subtitle and everything. It does everything for you. Now let's get started and use this template. Now let's use this template. Okay, now it's loading. All right, guys, as you can see, the background is ready, and it's got lots and lots of scenes. We've got about 5 scenes right here. However, I'm just going to be using one scene. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, now this is it. All this is editable. You can see right here. You can start editing it from 1 to 1. Let's just say this is like the company name, ABC Inc. So let's just edit it. Let's say AI Avatar Incorporation. Okay, and it's too big. We can just expand it. I just want to expand it. So okay, now this is it. Let's do like this. Just gonna double tap. Okay, now we just want to expand this a little bit so the whole AI avataring could, be displayed in one single place. And then I'm going to shift it back right here a little bit. Okay, now this is fine. And of course, we could change the color. I could come right here and give it a different color. Let's say blue, like this. And of course, it's become blue. Could do the same thing to this one, company. We could say YouTube. And since YouTube loves red better, we could just put this as red, just to make it look more YouTube. Okay, then we come right here and say it's a profile. Let's say video. I just wanted you guys to know that everything here can be changed. Okay, then we could give this one also another color. Let's put it something like this. Then we could do something else. We could put this, we could drop shadows, make it look like 3D or something. Make it look 3D. Right here, you can see, guys, you can see it looks 3D. Now, everything here can be changed, okay? Now, this is where your subtitle is going to be. Of course, you can't change that. It's already a subtitle. It's whatever you put here that's going to come out here. And now, this is your main avatar. So if you want to change this, you just have to click on it like I did and come right up here where it says avatar, click on it. Then you want to see lots and lots of avatar right here. If you want to choose one of these ones, you're free to. You can choose anyone to start with. No one is blaming you for that. It's okay. It's available. You can use it on any platform. However, we want it to be more realistic because we want it to look like us. I want it to look like me. So I'm going to be using my picture, guys. Guys, you don't come to this kind of tools and use someone else's picture without their knowledge. It's illegal. Okay, you don't just go online and pick up someone popular's image, then come right here and use it to do whatever it thinks you like because you feel you can get more traction or something like that. Guys, it is illegal. Like I said earlier, it's illegal. So don't do that, okay? All right, so let's get back here and I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to be uploading one of my image. So let's see if I have an image right here. I should have one. This is my image. Okay, this is an image I used earlier, so I'm not going to be using it again. So it doesn't look like I'm creating the same thing. So okay, this is another of my image. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to use this. So let's just wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, we're going to remove the background. This software already has a background remover tool, and we can name our avatar. Since I'm the one, I could just put my name there so that whenever I'm doing something else, I can always know that, okay, this avatar belongs to me, even if I don't have to like check the picture to see whoever is there or whatever is there. Okay, we could do those two things. All right, guys, so the avatar is already here and it's uploaded, so you can see customize. So I'm just going to select it. So now you can see right here it has replaced the particular picture that is here. And of course you can do whatever you like with the avatar. You can see I can reduce it, I could increase it however I like. That's the beautiful thing about this particular thing. You could decide to change it anyhow you like without consequence. Okay, so I'm just going to increase this a little bit, put this up a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this, but something's wrong with the head. Let's just change that. Let's do it like this. Come right here, you can see where it says full picture, so I'm just going to select full picture. The reason why I select full picture is that so it allows me to, you know, edit this. You can see right here it says full picture. Now let's go back to square head. I want it to show on my head and everything. Okay, let's click on crop. Let's do crop rectangle. Okay, we want it to crop from here because we want it to show our head. So okay, so let's just do it like this and let's see what we're gonna get from just cropping it here, and of course doing it like this. Okay, it's still going back, so let's go back here. Let's just leave this full picture like this, then let's bring it down ourselves. Then after that we're just gonna, you know, remove the background. It's very easy, guys. It's so easy to do. Like, you just have to do this like you're editing whatever stuff you used to edit on your phone, stuff like that. You just edit it like you're editing something on your phone. Okay, now the picture is ready. Now let's just go right back here and remove, where is it? There's somewhere where it says background. Like here you can see it says background. So then let's just remove the background. I'm sure we should be able to remove the background, or are we trying to set up okay, this is like setting up a new background. Okay, so how do we remove the background? I'm sure we can remove the background. 1 minute. Okay, since this our avatar, so maybe we should just go back to avatar right here. Maybe we're going to see how to remove the background there. Oh, okay. I guess it's because we're using a customize. We clicked on it and it's been customized. That's why it's not letting us remove the background. So let's just click it again. Aha, okay, it's better now. It's better now. Okay. So now let's just do it like this. Okay. Now it's ready, guys. As you can see, it's ready. Now, all we need to do is to give it something to talk about. Like here, come down here where it says speech text. You can see it says, welcome to ABC Incorporation, your trusted partner in technology solutions since 2005. Now, if we just leave it like this and we click generate, this video is just going to talk about this, okay? And it's going to use this voice, this English guy voice, as you can see. You can use any kind of voice you have, this guy cheerful voice. You can use a different one, but these are pro. So if you are not subscribed, you won't be able to use this voice. And of course, you could use your own voice. All you just have to do is to click clone my voice and you record and everything. But I think they charge something for that, okay? So, but if you decide not to use speech text, you could come right here where it says upload voice. So here you have to do is just record your own voice or upload your own voice that you have already recorded, okay, guys? So let's just go right there and record. Let me just record something very short. And hello guys, this is Olawale Yusuf and we are still right here on Nextlands, and we're just going to try to show things on how to actually create this AI avatar. Now let's click on stop. Okay, since we're done with that, you can see it says recording 12 seconds. Then we just have to come right back up here and click generate. Okay, it says it will deduct 40 seconds duration time. Please reviews. Okay, this is 40 seconds. I didn't create anything that has to do with 40 seconds, so it's just 12 seconds. Oh, okay, because we have other scenes right here, and since I'm not using these other scenes, let me just delete them. However, If you want to use all these other scenes, all you have to do is to just come down, let's say come right here, click on it and edit this one also the way we edit this first one, okay? So that after the first scene played, this is going to go to the second scene, the third scene and everything. You can always add more scenes. This is very easy, okay? I'm just not going to be doing all that in this video because I don't want it to be too long. So we have just one scene. I'm just going to come right here and generate. So while it's preparing to generate the video, let's just wait for a few seconds or minutes. Hello guys, this is Olawale Yusuf.